How to use Eldorado points. Eldorado GG rewards loyal users with Eldorado points, but how do you use them and how can you maximize your savings? Let's break it down step by step. Eldorado points are loyalty credits you earn through purchases, promotions, or community rewards. Think of them as cashback tokens that reduce your order total at checkout. So to see how many points you have, you'll need to log into your Eldorado.gg account and then head over to your dashboard, and your available balance is displayed right under your profile. Now when you're ready to buy, go ahead and add items to your cart and then click on this buy now button, and that will take you to the checkout page. So on the payment page, you'll see an option to apply Eldorado points. Enter the amount you want to use and the discount is instantly deducted from your total. So to get the most value, save points for bigger purchases like gift cards or accounts, combine them with verified promo codes for double savings, and don't forget, some points may expire, so redeem them before they disappear. Keep in mind, points may not cover your entire order and they're non-transferable. Only use them on your own account and always check the terms of each promotion. Eldorado points are safe to use, but they're tied to your account status, so stay active to keep earning. And that's how you use Eldorado points.